Boy, a lot of cars here at Barrett-Jackson, you know. Wait, do you hear that?
What?
Come over here, quick, listen. You know what that is?
Yeah.
That's an E-Code bird, and it's talking to me.
What's it saying?
It says, Keith, I love you.
No, it's not. It's saying, go home with me, Josh. That's what it's saying.
Josh, here's the man that put this car together, Amos Minter.
How you doing,
Josh?
buddy? Nice to
Amos.
meet you.
Nice
Keith
to meet
Martin.
you. Keith, nice to meet you.
What an unbelievable machine.
Thank you. Thank you.
So tell me, how many of these are there?
There was 1,300 some odd of the E-Codes built. There was probably under 100 of these built with the factory standard chip.
Out of 65,000 T-Birds
Yes,
altogether.
And I know this car is unique to many of the other cars here because this one has never been shown before. Tell us about that world a little bit.
This car has just been finished. We painted the car right after Thanksgiving. We finished assembling it right after the first of the year. She's a brand new, fresh car that's never been shown.
And why is that an advantage to the buyer?
The new owner will be able to show this car as his own car, not someone else's old show car. He doesn't have to live up to other people's credentials. It'll be a whole new, fresh love affair with his most special T-Bird.
Amos, how long have you been restoring T-Birds?
44 years.
Do you have a few at home?
I do. I have 82, I think it is, at home today.
Now, I'm going to give you a test. Are you ready? You've got your thinking cap on, your collector car thinking cap, your eagle eyes, the whole 9 yards.
Give me the question. He's going to think I'm not going to pass this. Watch.
What condition would you rate this car? Oh,
Really?
okay.
That's the question?
Yes.
This car is unbelievably beautiful. It's probably one of the best ones that I've seen here. For me, it's definitely a 1. It is really pristine, and I don't think you could have done any better of a job on this.
Thank you.
When it comes to collectability, if this were a standard bird, 292 V8, average color, it'd be a C because they built so many of them. But I'm going to have to tell you, with this condition, this engine, and with your provenance, because you're renowned as one of the best T-Bird builders in the world, I'm going to give it an A. Let's talk about value. What's the car going to sell for?
I think this car will exceed 225.
Well, you know, I'd like to think that you're right, but I am not quite in the same place that you are. I think the hammer is going to come down, and it's going to come down at 140.
I'll be depressed, but I will be one less T-Bird owned.
Well, thank you for bringing this car here.
Thank you.
All right.
Keith, what just happened in that auction?
First of all, we're at Barrett-Jackson, where you have thousands of registered bidders who are looking for the best, and they're not afraid to pay for it. Second, Amos Minter, regarded as one of the best T-Bird restorers in the world. Third, as Amos said, this car has never been seen before, so the new owner has got a whole world of car shows ahead of him.